Hey guys, what is up? I hope you are happy, healthy, and doing okay. I am about to cozy up and get started on my daily quota of reading, catching up on where I'm at in my pregnancy right now, and educating myself about labor and delivery that I am going to be experiencing super soon. I cannot believe it. And I want to thank Keeping Parenting Real for partnering with me and sponsoring today's video. Keeping Parenting Real is a best-selling book publishing company that specializes in pregnancy, childbirth, sleep training, weaning, teething, and everything pregnancy and parenthood related. And they partnered up with me in today's video to share with you guys their new launch, the First Time Dads Weekly Pregnancy Guide. I wanted to share their book with you for all of my expecting mamas and dads that might be looking for tools to help them understand just exactly how their pregnancy is developing, how their baby is developing, questions they should be asking, and stuff like that. The First Time Dads Weekly Pregnancy Guide goes in depth, breaking down what is happening in your pregnancy week by week so that you and your partner are aware of baby's development, baby's size, what baby is doing. Also included in the book is a checklist for dads, because let's be honest here, sometimes dads really feel as if they are not doing enough in the mom's pregnancy journey. This book omits that for you because it has a section that outlines a dad's checklist so dad can educate himself about what is happening with mom and offer his support and help. The First Time Dads Weekly Pregnancy Guide also has a section where it focuses on labor and delivery and the childbirthing process, the different stages of labor, which to be honest I did not know, and since I am almost at that stage in my pregnancy where I'm about to give birth, that was really helpful for me because then I could understand exactly where I'm at, what I'm feeling, and know what to do. The book also gives you information such as questions that you should be asking your pediatrician when you go to interview pediatricians. Who would have thought that you actually need to interview your pediatricians before deciding on what pediatrician is best for your family? Because in my culture, we grab a doctor and we go. But this book carefully educates you about the best practices of pregnancy and childbirth and the labor and delivery process. The book also covers topics such as hospital bag preparation, postpartum essentials, signs of labor for when you are in labor, just so you can track everything and follow everything. And one thing that really stood out to me while reading this book was just how fun and natural the writing was. While I was reading, I felt as if I was thinking all of these things out loud. It sounded as if I was having a conversation with my husband. Also, the illustrations in this book are to die for. It is really a fun and entertaining book, and it does keep that interested and engaged in mom's pregnancy journey and have them wanting to read more. Keeping Parenting Real is now offering the First Time Dads Weekly Pregnancy Guide for free for the next 5 days, and all they're asking of you is that you leave them a review. You can download the book at the link in my description box down below. Please head to the link down below, download the book for free, and then leave them a review. And if you are an expecting mom or dad and you really want to get in on empowering yourself with more information, they also have free downloadable books available on their website. One discussing healthy eating guides throughout pregnancy, and the other discussing fitness and exercise during pregnancy. All you have to do is go to keepingparentingreal.com. If I were you and I were pregnant, I would be grabbing these books. They are free. Why not? And as if it doesn't get better, you guys, in about 1 or 2 months they will also be releasing another new book called 40 Things You Must Do Before You Are Due, and I wish that book was out right now so that I could read it to prepare myself, as I am due in less than 40 days actually. So do yourself a favor, grab the book right now. It is available at the link in my description for free for the first 5 days, including today. So go on over to Amazon, download your free book, leave Keeping Parenting Real a review. So again, thank you to Keeping Parenting Real for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys so much for all of the support that you have been giving me throughout my pregnancy journey, and I cannot wait to be a mom with all of you in my corner. Until next time, bye guys.